Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Babydoge. This video is going a very important, very urgent video about Babydoge. So especially Babydoge holders, never miss any second of this video. And also my friends, also make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the currently latest price of the Babydoge in the market is very low. So if the price is still low, I think there's an opportunity for everybody to invest now in a Babydoge. And the change is occurring in the Babydoge. Oh my god, absolutely. The changes is going wrong. Negative 8.51% the price decrease. Price decrease from the yesterday. But I know that the latest situation, the last 1 hour update is going positive. Don't worry, my friends. It is the end of month. Possibility that in the beginning of a new month, in the beginning of August, higher possibility that price taking a huge pump price will explode more and more. So just hold it. Now more, let me show you the update about Babydoge. I think nothing here, but the price change is negative. And the trading volume is also decreased. Oh my god, that's bad now for all of you, especially for Babydoge holders. But don't worry my friends, it is the end of month and a lot of people want decide to sell. Now at this time, at the end, a lot of people going to sell. That's why the change is negative, the trading volume is decreased. But I hope in the beginning of a new month, the people again want to buy Babydoge. And that's how the price increase and you get profit from a Babydoge. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Babydoge? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.